Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this Telus CCTV camera. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go guys, again I have here a CCTV from Telus and we're going to do an unbox, and again I'm going to install this in my garage and we'll see. Okay, it's very straightforward how to install this camera. Okay, so but again we'll see. This is about I forget the price on this one here because they just give it to me. Okay, so again we'll see what's in a box. There you go. So this CCTV, it's a 1080p outdoor Wi-Fi camera, intelligent video, analytics, two-way audio, HDR video. There you go. Okay, so again, I have here, and we'll see. So here's the installation manual. It's gonna be easy. And I have here the camera. And they have a mounting plate, and they have here the power supply, and then connect this one to your CCTV camera, and lastly they have this screws for your mounting plate. Okay, so but again it's gonna be easy for you guys to install this one on your it's easy to install this one on your cell phone. Okay, so and guys, I have here the Telus app, and then on my service I have garage door and the front door. I have the garage door opener, my big one for my parking lot, for my parking. And then I have here the doorbell, and I have here the video. So again, all you have to do is to go to a add video device. Again, choose which camera do you have, and then just pick this one here. And then because this one here, it's a Adc V523. So all you have to do, and then it's blinking green, and then next, if you see that one, next, and then it's automatic. Install it on your apps. But again, I'm going to install this one in my garage, and then we'll see. So there you go guys. So again, I already installed the camera on my garage, and again I'm already here on the app, and then so you can see on my screen right now that I have two cameras. So one camera for my front of my garage, and then the second one is the inside of the garage. See, look at that. So now it's the light is off on that one, but if I'm going to turn on the lights on that one, and we'll see what is the quality of. So okay guys, so that is the quality of the video that has a light inside. And what if the garage is open? And we'll see again. Okay, so I'm gonna go back, and then I'll have to do is to click my garage, and I'll say open. So now it's opening the garage, and we'll be back here again, and we'll see the quality of the video. There you go. So there's two garage parking in the front, and also I'm going to turn off the light inside the garage. Okay, so the light is already off inside the garage, but again, still you can see what's the activities inside of your garage. At least you already know what's going on in your garage. So, and also you can see two cameras is running right now, and it's the top one, it's the front of the garage, and then the bottom one is the inside of the garage. So, but again, guys, it's very good reviews. And so again, I'm gonna close the garage. We'll see again what is the quality of the video. So that is the garage, and it's closing right now. And I know it's very dark inside, and few seconds it will light up the night, like kind of a night mode something. Okay, so and also, guys, you can also talk if you want to, and hello, 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 and you can also listen on the camera inside of your garage if somebody's there, and then you can say, hey, hey, what's going on? So all you have to do is to click the microphone, the green one, and say, hey, you can talk there, blah blah blah, whatever you want. So it is really neat. It's a very nice camera. I like it. Okay, so again, guys, if you have any question, please comment below. And I hope this video, it helps on you on how to install the Telus camera in your property. So again, if you're not yet subscribing my channel, I hope consider subscribing my channel. And this is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.